In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable 5G on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. In the iPhone configuration, navigating through settings can sometimes be a labyrinthine task. Begin your journey by tapping into the Settings menu on your device. Once inside, seek out the Mobile Service section. It's the main domain of connectivity. In the mobile service, the mobile data options give you different choices. The Voice Amp data setting is important for using 5G. When you tap on this option, you can choose how you want your mobile to work. Inside Voice Amp data, there are two choices: 5G on and 5G auto. If you always want the fastest 5G connection, pick 5G on. If you want your phone to decide when to use 5G based on the situation, choose 5G auto. You can choose whatever you like. It's like saying you want the best mobile experience. With a few taps, you can use the fast 5G tech and explore the digital world easily. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this. And subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.